The highly anticipated arrival of the Sony A7V, often rumored as the Sony A7V, is set to redefine the full-frame mirrorless hybrid camera segment, carrying the immense weight of expectation as the crucial successor to the phenomenal A7 IV, which was itself one of Sony's all-time best-selling workhorse cameras for hybrid shooters and professional filmmaking. However, amidst a dramatically accelerating market where formidable rivals like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and the Nikon Z6 III are relentlessly pushing the boundaries of performance and feature sets, Sony faces the complex and delicate challenge of distinguishing the new camera's value proposition without either disappointing its dedicated E-mount ecosystem user base or, critically, cannibalizing sales from its own slightly overcrowded internal lineup, particularly the speed-focused A9 series and the video-centric FX and A7S lines. The current wave of leaks, which intensify as the official announcement date of December 2, 2025, approaches, presents a deeply conflicting narrative. Early speculation from well-known sources, quickly retracted, pointed toward an aggressive 40-megapixel sensor paired with an impressive 15 frames per second continuous shooting rate and the flagship next-gen BIONZ processor with integrated AI capabilities derived from the top-tier Alpha 1, 2 or A7R5, a specification sheet that thrilled the community. Yet, subsequent, more persistent rumors suggest a more conservative approach, centering on a 33-megapixel sensor, the identical resolution as the A7 IV, which immediately triggered concerns about a mere part spin refresh and ignited a furious debate within the content creation gear sphere about whether Sony is deliberately sandbagging its true specifications to achieve a massive launch day reveal, or simply playing it too safe against the backdrop of an intensely competitive landscape. The reported price point hovering around the $2,999 mark further complicates this positioning, placing the A7V directly in the crosshairs of its primary competitors, many of whom already offer core features that Sony users feel are now mandatory at this price level, most notably a partially stacked sensor architecture to deliver the necessary faster sensor readout speeds essential for mitigating the notorious rolling shutter effect, a major complaint in the A7 IV, which severely limited its utility for high-speed sports, dynamic wildlife, or fast-paced video creator workflow, along with truly uncropped 4K recording at 60 frames per second, a fundamental requirement that the A7 IV's Super 35 crop failed to deliver. The demands from working photographers and video creators are clear and non-negotiable for this hybrid shooter dream camera. The elimination of the 4K/60p crop is paramount, requiring full-frame width video to leverage the aesthetic advantage of fast E-mount lenses. A fundamental sensor redesign to achieve superior readout speed is essential, not just for stills performance and electronic shutter usability but also to unlock advanced video capabilities like 6K oversampling for crisp 4K, 4K/120p, slow motion, and potentially internal 10-bit or even 12-bit RAW recording for maximized dynamic range performance and color grading flexibility, features which are increasingly becoming the standard in the $3,000 price category. Furthermore, the integration of the dedicated AI processor is almost certainly a given, which is expected to bring revolutionary advancements to autofocus reliability through sophisticated real-time subject recognition, advanced human pose estimation, and enhanced tracking across complex scenes like weddings and live events, leveraging modern computational photography techniques to maintain industry-leading performance. Simultaneously, creators are clamoring for significant ergonomic refinements, including the adoption of the A7V style fully articulating and tilting multi-angle screen, an improved, higher-resolution electronic viewfinder, and a body design featuring enhanced heat dissipation to support extended, high bitrate recording sessions without thermal interruption, all while maintaining the excellent E-mount standard and weather sealing. The recent, dramatic price slash of the predecessor A7 IV to $1,999 unequivocally signals an inventory clearance maneuver, a canonical sign that a new model is imminent, perfectly timing the market for the anticipated December 2 unveiling and the expected Q1 2026 shipping date, a release strategy that Sony may deliberately be using to clear the decks while allowing the new model to build maximum pre-order momentum against the shadow of the expected Nikon Z7 III and the rumored Canon R6 Mark III. The rumored parallel announcement of new E-mount ecosystem lenses, including a professional 100 to 400mm f4 and a versatile new ultra-wide zoom 20mm f/2 prime lens, suggests Sony is positioning the A7V launch not as a solitary product release, but as a holistic alpha ecosystem. Refresh designed to capture the attention of a wide variety of specialist and general content creators. Ultimately, the Sony A7V is poised at a critical inflection point. If it launches with the rumored, yet disappointing, 33-megapixel non-stacked sensor, maintaining a significant 4K/60p crop, and fails to deliver a substantial readout improvement, it risks being perceived as outdated upon arrival, particularly in a market increasingly anticipating innovations like global shutter technology in speed cameras and more aggressive pricing across the board. Conversely, if Sony leverages a new, high-speed 33MP partially stacked sensor, a major megapixel wars countermove, coupled with full-width 4K/60p, superior IBIS, and the revolutionary AI autofocus, it will undoubtedly cement its position as the market leader and the definitive best hybrid camera of the next generation, offering a compelling 5-year future-proof solution for professionals making a $3,000 investment. The coming announcement is far more than just another camera launch. It is a decisive statement that will reveal whether Sony is ready to aggressively lead the hybrid segment into the future or cede the spotlight to its revitalized competitors, forcing every potential customer to weigh the immense value of the existing E-mount ecosystem against the raw, next-generation performance offered by rival systems.